Hi, friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Hi, Leo. How are you today?
Hey, Scarlett. I'm good, thanks. Just a bit tired. I was reading about different cultures last night.
Oh, really? What were you reading about?
About birthday traditions around the world. It's so interesting.
That sounds fun. Tell me something you learned.
Okay, did you know in Germany, the birthday person does no work at all on their day? Friends and family do everything for them.
No work? That's amazing. I wish that was a tradition here.
Me too. What about in Australia? Do you know any traditions there?
Yes, I heard in Australia they often have barbecues outside for birthdays. And they give the birthday person a key when they turn 17 or 18 as a symbol of becoming an adult.
A key. That's cool. In some countries, the traditions are for specific ages, like in Ecuador.
Ecuador. What happens there?
When a girl turns 15, it's a huge celebration called quinceañera. She wears a beautiful dress and high-heel shoes for the first time and dances with her father or a special boy.
Oh, that's so beautiful and emotional. It's like a big transition.
It is. Now, some traditions are a bit physical. In Brazil, do you know what they do?
Physical? No, tell me.
In Brazil, it's a tradition to pull the birthday person's ear once for each year of their age.
That must hurt for older people, but it's funny. What about giving presents? Any special ways?
Yes! In Denmark, they have a lovely tradition. Friends and family put the presents in front of the birthday person's bedroom door the night before, so they see them first thing in the morning.
That's a sweet way to start the day. What about in Japan?
In Japan, they have special celebrations for ages 3, 5, and 7. It's called Shichigo-san. Families dress the children in traditional clothes and go to a shrine to pray for their health and good future.
That's very meaningful. So it's less about a party and more about blessings.
Exactly. Now, for a fun party game tradition, do you know about Canada?
No, I don't know much about Canada. What do they do?
In some parts of Canada, they hide the birthday cake candies in the cake. The person who finds a candy gets to choose the next party game.
That's a great idea for a party. Makes the cake even more exciting.
It is. Let's go to a hot country, Egypt. In Egypt, they sometimes have 2 birthday cakes.
2 cakes? Why? That's a lot of cake.
I know. One cake has candles for the wish. The other cake has no candles. It's for, well, honestly, I'm not sure why the second one has no candles.
You don't know? Maybe it's just for eating more easily.
Maybe. I should read more about it. I don't like not knowing the full story.
Don't be... It's okay. What about Mexico?
In Mexico, the celebration often has two parts. First, they might go to church for a special birthday mass or prayer. Then they have a big party at home with a piñata.
Piñatas are so fun. I love that. Okay, tell me about Latvia. I heard something funny.
Oh, in Latvia, this is interesting. They lift the birthday person up on their chair, and they lift them once for each year they have lived.
So for a 30-year-old, they lift the chair 30 times? That's a lot of work for the friends.
I would be exhausted if I had to lift someone 30 times, but it's a fun tradition.
You're tired? We can stop if you want.
No, I'm okay. Just a little drowsiness from the coffee. Let's continue. Do you know which country doesn't really celebrate individual birthdays much?
No? Which one?
Vietnam. In traditional Vietnamese culture, everyone's birthday is considered to be on the same day, which is Tet, the Lunar New Year. So they don't have separate parties for each person's birthday every year.
Really? So they only celebrate their actual birthday once when they are born?
Basically, yes. Tet is the biggest celebration for everyone.
That's so different. It makes Tet even more special.
It does. Culture is amazing, right?
Yes, it is. I love learning about it. Hey, what about bad luck on birthdays? Any traditions for that?
Oh, lots. In Russia, for example, you should give presents after the birthday party, not before. Giving before is considered bad luck.
Oh no, I think I've given presents before the party many times.
Don't be nervous. That's just their tradition. Here's another one. In Ireland, they have a funny tradition of lightly hitting the birthday person on the arm for good luck.
Hitting? For good luck? The world is full of surprises.
It really is. In Nigeria, big birthday parties are common. They have music, dancing, and a lot of food. It's a huge community event.
That sounds like my kind of party. Community is important.
Definitely. In contrast, in Norway, they often have a simple and cozy celebration at home or school. They sing the birthday song and eat cake, maybe with a small flag on it.
A flag. That's cute. I think every country's traditions show what they value: family, fun, community, or spirituality.
That is a very smart way to see it, Scarlett. I agree completely.
Thanks, Leo. Now I'm getting drowsiness from listening to all these cozy traditions.
Should we order more coffee? We still haven't talked about birthday foods in different countries.
Food? Yes, tell me. But quickly, I have to leave in about 10 minutes.
Okay, quick one. In China, they eat long noodles for long life. In Jamaica, they often have a fruit cake called black cake. And in the USA, it's all about the flavor of the birthday cake. Chocolate, vanilla, red velvet.
Red velvet is my favorite. This was such a fun chat, Leo. I learned so much.
Me too, Scarlett. We should do this again. Maybe talk about wedding traditions next time.
That's a great idea. I'll bring the notes. Okay, I really have to go now. See you later.
Bye, Scarlett. Have a good day.